The daily code snippet. With the source set attribute, you were using widths to tell the browser the actual width of the image files. With the sizes attribute, you are specifying a width for the layout of the image so the browser can prepare a placeholder for the image. So despite the actual width of an image in source set, the sizes attribute will determine the width of how the image is displayed on screen. In this example, we have 3 images to choose from: a 400 pixel wide image, an 800 pixel wide image, and a 1200 pixel wide image. With the sizes attribute, we are saying that with a minimum width of the screen, at least 800 pixels, we want our image to display at 80% the width of the viewport window, or VW. And with a minimum width of 300 pixels, we want our image to display at 90% width of the viewport window. If neither of those conditions are met, then display the image at 100% width of the viewport window. The browser will choose the best image from the source set to display. How we want the image displayed in the sizes attribute. If it finds nothing that works, it will display the fallback image in the image element, image_sm.png. Presented by Designers Learn Code.